Nyenya koramga juang machiegni kende chendo ni maro imore. Jatend migao mar arita Kithure Kindiki ohum kaluwore gi medruok mar kuo mar jamni e gwenge mag Meru Manyandwat. Kuo ma ichwalo gi kweth mag njore. Kata kamano kuo ni arita osebedo kijiwe alworano kendo obila ma kojolo idhi medi tiego mondo mi orgi gidhi giket arita e gwengego.
Increasingly, we have seen in many parts that are affected with the problem of livestock rustling, political leaders trying to interfere with security operations and bringing politics in matters counter banditry. We have instructed our security agencies to make sure that the war against cattle rustlers is not in any way politicized. And any political leader who uses politics to complicate the war against banditry, legal action will be taken against them, irrespective of their political persuasion, whether or not they are leaning towards the government political party or the opposition. We will take action against them, and we will be very ruthless, and we will not care how many votes that particular person got.